Hello students, how are you? This is the session for class 4th, subject English, and this is your lesson 2, subject and predicate, in which I will going to tell you regarding subject and predicate. This is your lesson 2 in your PC Ran's grammar book. This is your lecture 1 for lesson 2, that is subject and predicate. I am Dipti over here to tell you regarding subject and predicate, and you have to listen carefully to understand the chapter. Now, a complete simple sentence has a subject and predicate. एक पूरा सेंटेंस जो है वो पूरा तब होता है जब उसमें सब्जेक्ट और प्रेडिकेट दोनों होते हैं. Now, here is an example. You and I are learning about sentences. तुम और मैं sentences के बारे में learn कर रहे हैं. So, you and I is a subject over here and our learning about sentences is predicate. Now, I am going to tell you how. All the words in the subject form the complete subject. जितने भी वर्ड सब्जेक्ट में होते हैं वो कंप्लीट सब्जेक्ट बनाते हैं और जितने भी वर्ड्स प्रेडिकेट में होते हैं दे फॉर्म कंप्लीट प्रेडिकेट. नाउ द सब्जेक्ट इन अ सेंटेंस नेम्स whom, what द सेंटेंस इज अबाउट. सेंटेंस जिसके बारे में है वो उसके सब्जेक्ट का बोध कराता है. नाउ द कंप्लीट सब्जेक्ट can be a noun, a pronoun, or a noun phrase. Now see these sentences, or here you can know, you are able to know that which is a noun and which is a pronoun. The sun rises in the east, noun, and it is a subject also, the sun. My uncle is very tall. My uncle is pronoun, but it is a subject over here. My mother's name is Riya. My mother's name is a noun phrase, and in this sentence, this is a subject. Predicate. The predicate is that part of sentence that tells what is said of the subject. Predicate वो part होता है आपके sentence का जिसमें हमें ये पता चलता है कि sentence के बारे में जो आप सेंटेंस कहा जा रहा है उसमें सब्जेक्ट के बारे में क्या कहा जा रहा है. लाइक अ कंप्लीट प्रेडिकेट हैज वर्ब, वर्ब फ्रेज, एंड विद वर्ब फ्रेज ऑल द वर्ड्स विद द वर्ब आफ्टर द वर्ब आर द प्रेडिकेट ऑफ दैट सेंटेंस. द किंग इज वेरी रिच. द किंग एंड द किंग इज वेरी काइंड. द किंग is very kind is over here predicate. He is an honest man. Is an honest man is a predicate because both of are a verb or a verb phrase. दोनों या तो verb हैं या verb phrase हैं. आपको ये ध्यान रखना है कि verb से पहले जो होता है that is subject and verb के बाद that is predicate. Now, subject, verb and object. The subject is usually a naming word. Subject हमेशा एक naming word होता है और हम naming word को और क्या बोलते हैं? Noun. And verbs follow the subject. और verb कब आता है? Subject के बाद. And points to action that is done by the subject. और वो action बताते हैं जो कि subject के द्वारा किया जा रहा है. The birds fly. बर्ड क्या कर रहे हैं? फ्लाई. सो द बर्ड इज सब्जेक्ट एंड फ्लाइज इज वर्ब. सो इन दिस सेंटेंस द बर्ड इज सब्जेक्ट एंड फ्लाइज इज वर्ब एट इट पॉइंट्स द एक्शन. फ्लाइज से आपको एक्शन का पता चल रहा है कि क्या क्रिया हो रही है. नाउ एन ऑब्जेक्ट इज अ नाउन or pronoun which is receiver of the action. ऑब्जेक्ट यूजुअली फॉलो अ वर्ब. ऑब्जेक्ट जो सब्जेक्ट करता है, जो सब्जेक्ट ने किया उससे रिलेट करता है आपका ऑब्जेक्ट. एंड ऑब्जेक्ट रिसीव्ड व्हाट द सब्जेक्ट डू. ऑब्जेक्ट कम्स आफ्टर द वर्ब. Let us see with the help of example. For example, the boy made a paper boat. The boy is subject, made is verb, and a paper boat is object. The teacher writes on the board. Teacher subject writes what is right? Verb, and on board is object. Verb are called action words. Now in this slide I am going to tell you regarding the verbs, and verbs are action words or doing words. I have already told you, जो भी action किया जाता है या action दिख रहा है आपको sentence में, that is verb. A verb is that part of sentence that tells us the subject performs. और verb वो part है आपके सेंटेंस का जिससे हमें ये पता चलता है कि सब्जेक्ट कुछ कर रहा है, और जो वो कर रहा है दैट इज वर्ब. राम वॉक्स इन द मॉर्निंग. सो राम इज वॉकिंग ओवर हियर, तो वॉक इज वर्ब ओवर हियर, एंड राम इज सब्जेक्ट, इन द मॉर्निंग इज ऑब्जेक्ट. नाउ इट्स होमवर्क टाइम. You have to break up the sentences into subject and predicate. As I have told you that what is subject and what is predicate. So आपको sentence में subject और predicate bifurcate करना है and write separately in 2 columns. You can write like that also, or you can put S for subject and P for predicate. My uncle is very tall. My uncle subject is very tall is predicate. Next sentence. The donkey is braying. The king is very kind. The cuckoo sings sweetly. Shreya loves to eat ice cream. He is an honest man. Now exercise 2, in which you have to do, in each of these sentences you have to identify and write subject for S, verb for V, and object. For object you will write O. The first sentence is, the goat climbed up the hill. I am telling you the first one, the goat is subject, climbed is verb, and up the hill is object over here. I hope you understand. The child ran across the routine. Bees makes honey. Bees makes honey. मधुमक्खियाँ शहद बनाती हैं. Jack and Jill went up the hill. ये आपने लाइन पढ़ी है, but over here went is not. In place of went, I have write ran. Jack and Jill ran up the hill. The cat jumped over the fence. So I hope you understand that these are the sentences which you have to find out subject, verb and predicate. Subject, verb and object. Now the homework solution for lesson 1, that is Rahul decisions. In the previous lecture I have told you about the story and we have discussed about the word meanings, and I have assigned you some of homework over there. So you have to do what you have to do. You have to complete the following sentence which are given below. Rahul walked home from the station because राहुल अपने घर से स्टेशन पैदल गया क्योंकि his house was 6 किलोमीटर अवे. उसका घर जो है वो 6 किलोमीटर अवे था टाउन से. सेकेंड पार्ट, Rahul's mother cried because राहुल की मदर जो है वो क्यों रोई? बिकॉज शी वॉज हैप्पी टू मेट हिज सन, क्योंकि वो अपने बेटे से मिलकर बहुत खुश थी. नाउ सी पार्ट. राहुल्स फादर वॉज एन आर्मी मैन अर्लियर. राहुल के फादर पहले क्या थे? एक आर्मी मैन. पहले क्या थे? एक आर्मी मैन. नाउ आंसर द क्वेश्चंस. हाउ डिड Rahul feel when he came to know that his parents also wanted him to be a farmer? राहुल को कैसा लगा जब उसको ये पता चला कि उसके पेरेंट्स भी चाहते हैं कि वो एक फार्मर बने? Rahul felt happy when he came to know that his parents also wanted him to be a farmer, as he was thinking that his parents will not approve this decision. राहुल बहुत खुश था इस डिसीजन को लेके, बिकॉज वो ये सोच रहा था कि उसके पेरेंट्स जो हैं वो उस डिसीजन के लिए एग्री नहीं होंगे. What was Rahul's decision? Rahul decided to become a farmer and he wanted to do farming on his land. When did Rahul reach at home? Rahul अपने घर कब पहुंचा? Rahul reached home at 5 p.m. in the evening. You very well know in the story it was told that he has to walk and that's why he was late. And he reached at home at 5 p.m. in the evening. So, I hope you have done this homework. You have to check the question answers. If your question answers are not done, so you have to first look at the answers which I have given and then you try yourself. And after that, match your answer so that you are able to write the answers of your own. आप अपने आप से आंसर लिख पाएं, आप ऐसी कोशिश करिए. थैंक यू. हैव अ गुड डे.